Okay guys, so this is going to be the swimsuit cover up, and as you guys notice, it's always cut at an angle, triangle, and this is going to be the part that go up around your neck. If you guys see, I folded this part down. This is going to be the panties, so I'm going to cut that out, guys, and then I'll show you guys how to put it together. So this is going to be the swimsuit to the cover up that we's working on. So you guys see the panties, I'm going to cut that out and I'll come back. Bye. Okay guys, so after your panties, after you have sewed your panties together, so you guys see these two pieces right here, we're going to pin this to the panties, guys. And remember, if you want less side boob out on the side seam of the panties, guys, bring that more around. So if you guys see, this is the part that goes up around your neck on a swimsuit. So guys, I'm gonna hem all of this. So all of this now, when I come back, I'm just going to put it on for you guys. I'm going to hem the crotch, hem going all the way around, hem the back. Everything will be hemmed and done, guys. And then, of course, going down here, guys, you got to hem these parts too. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on sewing this part, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is what's been trending on Lovely Wholesalers. So they're calling it the swimsuit and cover up, but this is more of a spandex fabric. But when you're gonna do a real swimsuit is done with lycra, but they call it on Lovely Wholesale a swimsuit and cover up, guys. So I'm just following a trend. But technically, like for people that make real swimsuits and stuff, if they looked at the fabric, they'll say that's not real swimsuit material. This is more like a spandex fabric, because the problem is when you go in the pool and it get wet, you probably can see some of your parts. So if you guys want to make the real swimsuit, then get lycra fabric, and it's more of a rayon and spandex and all that different stuff mixed, and when it get wet, you can't see it. So if I ever get a chance to get my hands on some lycra fabric, I'll show you guys exactly what it look like. But you can ask the fabric store to point you to some lycra. So yeah, you guys can ask about that, and then you'll see, you know, how that goes. But I'm going to go ahead and finish hemming, guys, because I don't want to make the video real long. But I'm just attaching now the top part of the swimsuit to the panties of the bikini. So I just attached this part. So now it's going to be the long staking process of doing all the hemming. So I'm going to do that offline, but I'm going to show you guys so far what it's looking like. So you guys should have, your swimsuit should be looking like this, guys. This is what you should have. So now I'm going to go off the air because I got to do a lot of hemming and sewing, guys, and I'll finish. And the next time you guys see me, I'll try it on for you guys. And if you guys want to put a panty liner in there, you can. I'm not going to put a panty liner in there. I'm just going to let it go. And guys, when you're doing the legs, do a zigzag stitch. So like you can get your legs in there, in and out. So do a zigzag stitch, guys. All right, I'll come back and I'll have it on for you guys. Bye-bye. I was going to do the cover up and swimsuit. So guys, underneath this beautiful dress, I also have the matching swimsuit, guys. So if you guys follow Lovely Wholesalers, and on Lovely Wholesalers, they have these cover ups and they have the swimsuit, but theirs is not made like a wrap dress. It's more made like a robe. But if you guys see, when I want to wear this, I can wear it, have on my cover up, and get to the beach, guys. Get to the beach, and voila, there's that swimsuit, guys, as I promised you guys that I was gonna make. And guys, I'm not gonna take it off because I don't like to be exposed all the way like that. But you see, I got it crossed in the back. It's crossed in the back. It ties up. But guys, this is that one that I was working on, guys. So you guys can make these beautiful swimsuits and the cover up and be the life of the party. And again, guys, remember, this fabric is not lycra. This is like a spandex type of fabric, guys. But you guys can do that sew along and do this. And the reason too, another thing I forgot to mention, when you use real lacquer, like when you get in the chlorine might bleach this. Like if you guys at a regular beach, you might be fine. But if you go get into a pool, this fabric might get bleached by the chlorine. So that's another reason why you want to use lacquer, not this type of fabric. This is not the real swimsuit stuff. So lovely ladies and gentlemen, I know there's some guys that, you know, doing their thing. So you guys can make these swimsuits and cover-ups. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, guys, have awesome sewing. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these is the beautiful finished result, my swimsuit and cover-up. And remember, guys, I made mine as also a wrap dress so that I can have the ability to wear this as a dress, or if I want to put the swimsuit under and do a swimsuit cover-up. So I wanted to give you guys some very unique things that you guys can do. This is trending over the lovely wholesalers. So guys, go to the fabric store, get you about 4 to 5 yards of fabric, and create your own swimsuit and cover-up yourself, guys, so you guys can have amazing pieces. So as always, happy sewing, guys. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.